Hello, good afternoon, all friends and to all kawalwal. Available na naman po ang fresh chicken natin and ready to deliver for all supermarket here at Duha. This stock is free delivery to all ASCO supermarket and Shopwise, Falcon and Philippine store. So all parts of fresh chicken is available here today. The thighs, breast, whole chicken, breast and thighs. Thighs means and drumstick and legs and thighs, gizzard and liver. And this liver, fresh liver and fresh gizzard and liver and all parts of chicken is available today, and this stock is ready to deliver at all ASCO supermarket and all Falcon supermarket and Shopwise and Philippine store. We have also available all everyday whole chicken, mga kawalwal, all chicken thighs, especially all breast part. So call now and message me if you want to free delivery. It's order now. So this all chicken is now ready to deliver at all supermarket, at ASCO, Falcon, Shopwise and all Philippine store at here at Duha. So buy now and call and message me if you want to free delivery. Just call me. All fresh chicken parts is all free delivery. So yan. This whole chicken also everyday available at all supermarket, at Falcon, ASCO supermarket and Philippine store. So grab it now and buy it there at all supermarket in Duha. Is fresh liver and fresh gizzard here available also every day, and all thighs, especially drumstick and means. So I'm ready now to deliver today at all supermarket. This all stock fresh chicken is all ready to deliver all ASCO at Falcon and Shopwise and Philippine store. So thank you, bye, and don't forget to hit the bell button and subscribe. Thank you. Boost.